Hello, and welcome to your Gratitude Thanksgiving meditation. Find a comfortable and safe space. You can sit up or lie down. Take a few deep breaths in and out. Inhale and exhale. Let's do that again. Inhale and exhale. Close your eyes if they aren't already closed. You can listen or silently repeat after me. Today, I am thankful. Today, I feel gratitude. Today, I breathe in joy, peace, and calm. Today, I think of the abundance in my life. Today, I feel grateful for my health. Today, I feel thankful for my loved ones. Today, I feel joyous that I have kind friends. I am grateful for my breath today. Today, I am thankful for my being. Today, I feel good in my soul. Today, I feel nourished. Today, I feel happy. Today, I feel calm. I'm going to offer you a mantra now. The mantra is Om Ananda. Om is the universal sound. Ananda means bliss. Om Ananda. You can repeat this silently after me or just listen. Om Ananda. Om Ananda. Om Ananda. Om Ananda. Om Ananda. Today, I am thankful. Today, I feel gratitude. Today I breathe in joy, peace, and calm. Today I think of the abundance in my life. Today I feel grateful for my health. Today, I feel thankful for my loved ones. Today, I feel joyous that I have kind friends. Today, I am grateful for my breath. Today, I am thankful for my being. Today, I feel good in my soul. Today, I feel nourished. Today, I feel happy. Today, I feel calm. Today, I am grateful. Today, I am thankful. Om Ananda. Om Ananda. Om Ananda. Om Ananda. When you're ready, very gently and slowly, bring yourself back to the present space. Walk through the rest of your day with thankfulness, with joy, and with gratitude.